Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Well, this is another trip to Wilberts down here in Bath. This caught my eye. Old green stang. 2000 newer. It's got the 15-inch rims on it still. I don't know exactly what year. But it's got to be a new 2000 or newer. These are actually in it. Log. Got stereo in it. Oh, she's what's your rough shape. Got decent tires on it. Go with that. 01. Okay, there you go. Yeah, you're just not gonna get away with it. That's where they rust, and I don't understand why. Still got graphic on it. I don't know if they rolled it in. Got headlights on it. They should adapt. I'll bet they adapt to mine. Those are decent. Those are nice and clean. I may look into that come summertime. All right. Well, what I'm here for is those tires, the front tires that I got off of the that 06 Escape Expeditions. So we're gonna go do that. This is the 18th of January 2019, and they are saying we're gonna get the storm of the century tomorrow. So we'll wait and see. Stay tuned for that. I know that'll be interesting to evaluate. Alright, hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Well, I went and found the Explorer on hers has got airbag light. And I decided, well, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off another Escape. And they're right here. See that box right there? You got one on the other side too. So I'm going to take those off. I'm going to replace the ones on hers. See if we get that light to stay out. You know, I know you're questioning. Well, you know what? Put another airbag sensors on it. They may fail and cause the bag to explode, but I'm not too sure about that. All right. Well, I got the first one off. And wouldn't you know, they're not universal. You have a right and you have a left. And it's held on by 3 screws. I got lucky on this one because they must have hit pretty hard over here because it freaking yanked everything out on that side. Now I got to go on this side and get it. And she's up in there. Not quite as good at access this time. Okay, I got my 3 screws out. They were right. One's right up underneath there. The other one's way kind of up on top. See it up in there? And I got the extension on there. I'm leaving the best for last, because guess what I'm going to use? Now I can use my Aerobie just by using a couple of adapters right on there, and put it in the middle. There she is. Out she came. And that was by using my Aerobie 1/2 inch. So that one dropped that one out. So we're good to go. Let's see. She's dropped down. Need to drop it over, I think, onto the side. Okay. Side here, because I got to disconnect the plug on it. Okay, here we go. And of course that is the left hand, right? Yep, you got it right. Let's see it. Got a right hand, there you are, and a left. So hopefully these are in good shape. I don't know what they're going to charge me for both of them as a pair, but this thing rolled. This thing rolled and it didn't set them off, so the airbags are still installed. I don't know if the sensors are one-time use or, well, I would probably one-time use, because if you've set one of them off, you'd probably damage your vehicle enough. So there we go. So I got tires. I got tires and airbag sensors. Wasn't expecting to get the airbag sensors, but I was looking for them the other day when I was coming through, and I couldn't find any. So here we go with a Explorer. This is a Sport, so it's a 4-door. So it's only a 4-door. So my issue is going to be whether the sensors plugs are going to mate. So that'll be the big question. All right, so we are. Throw the sensors in the bag. I don't know how sensitive they are, but I'm sure with that rollover, it'll look like. Anyway, all right, finish this up in a minute. Just a note, here's another Explorer that the front end is still in good shape. So I was looking to see how I would get those sensors, because right now I believe they're behind that little panel right here, right? Right in here? I don't know. I'm gonna find out when I go do it on mine. Or should I start on the wife's? Because I don't see them. Gotta be right about here on the inside of that panel or under the bumper. So we'll find out. Only gonna put them on ours. Back on ours. Because I haven't tried it. It just happened I found that green one that had the whole front end all screwed up. And that's a 4-door like the wife's. I wonder what it takes. Oh, it's got nice solid running boards on it. I have to look, see what it would take to get those. Okay. Screw them down and off the thing. I think ours are all. Get down there, you can seal on that wall all the way. Nice set. Huh. Okay. Here's a quick suggestion. Go down between the rear end of the vehicles. Once you get through the middle of the vehicle, you try to go down there, you're not gonna be so good. So at least you will have been walking down the smoothest parts. Alright, I can see soon we're going to have nice smooth driveways and paths and stuff through here. But I know it's just been they're new to the area. Last year this was considered Bennett's. So they just took over. So can't wait. You just be able to walk right down, push your wheelbarrow right down the middle, and you'll be good. All right, I can celebrate now. I got myself onto the road. Yeah, this can be real nice, especially once it's down all those other rails. All right. Well, I don't know, I definitely have my work cut out for me today. Alright, that was a quickie. You can see there is no wiper on that now. And just a quick fish in, pull out. So we're all done here. Alright, there goes another road, a lot of gravel. Yeah. It's gonna be nice down here when they get all that done. Okay, so here we go. Was another visit to Wilberts, and we will come on back another day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next. My visit to Wilberts.